Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back. It's April. So you know what that means? We've got another giveaway. This month we're going to have multiple items, 3 to be exact. The third place item is going to be a 200 milliwatt, 40 channel, 5.8 gigahertz video transmitter. The second place item is going to be a Shen Drones Mitsuko Plus style 4-inch FPV frame. And the first place prize is going to be a Tiny Whoop Builder's Package. So this package is going to come with everything you need to build a Tiny Whoop, with the exception of batteries and a controller or transmitter, and your FPV goggles or monitor. So what you're going to get is a Tiny Whoop frame, some propellers, a propeller puller tool, 2 sets of 6mm motors, a battery pad, a clear canopy, an all-in-one FPV camera and video transmitter, and a Furious FPV F3 flight controller with a built-in FrSky receiver. So you will need a Taranis or an FrSky module if you have Spectrum or one of the others. Anyways, it's a complete set. All you're going to have to do is get your transmitter and your batteries, and you'll be good to go. So good luck, everyone. The link to the entry form is down below in the description. Real quick, you need to be a subscriber to the channel. I will check. And you can enter just directly down below by clicking on the Gleam link and following the instructions there to enter. You can get additional entries by completing the actions in the Gleam entry form. So the only thing that's going to increase one person's odds of winning over the other are the number of actions that they complete. So let me know what you guys think about the giveaway. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, click the bell so you'll be notified when I post an update for this giveaway or future giveaways, and I'll see you guys next time.